Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of chicken shawarma. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 1 bowl of finely sliced chicken, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon spice powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Add all the ingredients into a bowl and mix it well. Marinate for 1 hour. In a frying pan, add little oil and then add chicken and cook until the water dries. Two finely sliced potatoes and sprinkle some salt. Fry until they turn into golden color. Take them out in a plate. Keep stirring. As you can see, there is no water now. The chicken is ready. Now for the sauce, we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We need tahina. About a pinch of black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, add tahina. Add lemon juice and mix it well. Now start adding water until you get a creamy texture. Add salt and black pepper. We need prepared sauce, pickled carrots and green chilies, sliced tomatoes, wheat tortilla bread, chicken and fries, and hot chili sauce. Now take one bread, add little chicken, fries, add carrot, tomato and sauce. You can add cucumber if you want. Add chili sauce. Now start folding it. Now grill them in toaster. As you can see, chicken shawarma is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.